And we have some breaking news coming in. After sacking the Punjab DGP, the SSP of Firozpur has also now been transferred by the Punjab government. So a large scale reshuffle that is now being witnessed within the Punjab police by the state government. Let me also go across now to Amandeep for more on this. Yes, Amandeep, after sacking of the Punjab DGP, now the SSP of Firozpur has also been transferred by the Punjab government.
Well, exactly. The orders has just come minutes after the DGP has been replaced of the Punjab Police. Now the SSP has also been transferred from Firozpur. And in fact, he was sent to the Indian Reserve Battalion of Punjab Police. And in fact, this order is of the transfers where the 7 IPS officers has been transferred into this rotation. But SSP Firozpur has been appointed Indian Reserve Battalion. And in fact, new SSP Narendra Bhargar has been taken over the charge as SSP Firozpur just because the entire situation of Prime Minister Security Breach is related from DGP to SSP Firozpur. Prime responsibility of the Prime Minister's security was to DGP. He was the first cop. He has to be directed all the cops down till SSPs for regarding the security protocols. And in fact, SSP Firozpur is the one who was entirely responsible for this entire security breach just because it's happened in the jurisdiction of the Firozpur, and he was the one who's supposed to provide the appropriate security to Prime Minister when he was stuck good 20 minutes in the middle of the flyover on January 5, but that not happened. So now slowly and gradually Punjab government is transferring the cops, but no action has been taken. These are the just transfers, Richa. These are the just transfers, not the action. And in fact, they are posing that these are the routine transfers they are doing.
All right, thank you so much, Amandeep, for getting us that update. So one after the other, there have been a massive rejig happening in the Punjab police after the Prime Minister's security breach, after sacking of the Punjab DGP. This time, the SSP of Firozpur has been transferred by the Punjab government.